Yealink T46S supports both local conference calling and network conference calling. You can create a local conference with two parties in the following way. First, while you are on a call with the first party, press the conference soft key. This will put the call on hold. Then, call the second party. After the second party answers, press the conference soft key to begin the three-way conference. The LCD will display the conference call icon. Through the three-user conference option, you can perform a variety of options. If you press the mute function key, the conference will be placed on mute mode. By pressing the hold soft key, the conference will be put on hold. Press resume to continue the conference. Additionally, there is the option to use the split soft key to split the conference into two individual calls. At this time, the host and the other two calls will be placed on hold. Press resume to continue talking. Press conference again to reestablish a three-user conference. You can also press the manage soft key to enter the management interface. Choose one party and press the far mute soft key to prevent them from speaking. When you press remove, this member will be removed from the three-user conference.